Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoom unknown error on your Android phone. So this is the Zoom Workplace mobile version. So here if you got an error like error code something or unknown error occurred on your Zoom meeting mobile version, you can try to make sure your internet connection is in a good condition. There is no error. So after that, and make sure your Zoom Workplace is up to date. You can check it on the Play Store. You can find Zoom. You can search for Zoom. Now this is the Zoom workplace that you need to update. Well, what's new? This is the last update on 25 November 2024. Resolve issues like minor bug fixes. So here, please keep up to date. And here, this is the version. You can find it on application info, and this is my latest version, as you can see. And also, you can consider to clear cache and clear the data by hold the Zoom app icon on your home screen, tap application info, and here you can try to tap storage usage. You can clear cache and clear the data. So the first thing to do, I repeat again, please you make sure you have a good internet connection. Maybe use Wi-Fi instead of your mobile data, and of course you need to keep up to date. You can access Zoom Workplace app on Play Store or App Store if you use iOS, and please update it. Then if your Zoom is up to date, make sure you can clear the cache by hold the app icon, tap application info, and tap on storage usage. You can clear cache. Even you can consider to clear the data, but you need to re-log in into your Zoom Workplace account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.